St. Vincent's, you go to the directory, and up here you can create a distribution group. So you just click distribution group. Over here, you can see the distribution groups that are on the job at the minute. So there's one here called Clancy's. There's one called Design Team. So all you have to do to edit, so say if somebody left Clancy's, you just click edit, and you can remove anybody who's no longer on that job. And to remove them, you just click the X over here and click update. So is anyone gone there?
Yeah, so, okay, Sean is here, David L is here, Connor McDonald, McKenna, Noon here, O'Leary, Kevin Power could go.
Yeah.
And
So to get rid of somebody, just click the X over there, and that's it.
everybody else is here. What we need is actually on this list, Connor Ward and Bernard as well. Bernard Kniff as well.
So Connor Ward. So to add somebody, you just type in the user's name, Connor Ward, add him there, and Bernard, was it?
Yeah, Bernard Kniff, yeah.
Kniff, okay.
Okay, just wonder, David Roach on this? Yes or no?
Yeah, David Roach is there.
Okay, John McDonald is there, yeah.
Yes.
Ian, I don't know, should be on this or not. Should be, I'd say as well. Ian Smiley.
Ian Smiley, yeah, you can put Ian on
it. Gordon McKenna is here, okay. That's it, I think. I think all of us here then.
Yeah. So obviously every couple of weeks or months you can go into the Clancy one and edit that any way you want. Once you have that done, you just press update. That's all it is. So that's a distribution group called Clancy's. There's one then called Design Team. Again, same stuff with the design team. But what you can also do is you can also create a distribution group specific to, say, snags or specific to inspections or something. So to create one, all you do is you press add distribution group over here. You could call it something like snags team or something like that. You press create. And then all you would do is, like before, you would just add in whoever the people is that you want to put in. So you put in Connor Hill, put in yourself, whoever it is, and press update. Obviously, you can put loads of people into that group, no bother at all. What you can also do is you can also go into each tool. So say, for example, you could go into the Snag tool itself, click the settings icon over here. And what you can do is you can add a default distribution group. So every time you create a Snag on your phone, you don't have to manually type in everybody person, into exactly. So you can have one created. Now, generally, when you're creating a default distribution group for any of the tools on Procore, submittal, snags, anything like that, it's always the Clancy people are the default, always. So you don't put in your subbies into the default distribution group because you could be creating snags that doesn't involve certain subbies.
Yeah,
that kind of makes sense, doesn't it?
So again, makes sense. Yeah, you don't want them see with no reason either, and let's not involve them either. So
correct, exactly. But what you could do is, if you had, say, 4 or 5 users for a certain company, you could create a default distribution group. Say, call them Jones's Engineering or something.
That's what I'm gonna need to have it, especially Farrell's and Jones's separate, his entire team to be attached. You know, so you don't need to select.
Exactly. So instead of typing in Jones's Engineering, the 4 or 5 people individually, you just create one distribution group and call them Jones's Engineer. And all you have to do is you just click whichever one of these it is. Then when you're creating your snag or your incident or whatever, and that's pretty much it. You can do it for all the tools as well. So you can do it for incidences. So anytime an incident occurs, whenever somebody's filling out the incident information when an incident happens, you can have a default distribution group ready to go. So this should be your site managers, your contracts manager, project manager, people like that. So again, it's simple enough to do. You just go into the incidents tool, you click the settings icon in the top left-hand corner. So you click this icon. Once you come in here, you just type in the person's name. So anytime an incident happens, you don't have to keep typing in people's names into the distribution group.
Yeah, makes sense.
Exactly. And that can be done for pretty much all the tools. You can create a default distribution group. The same with RFIs. So if you go into RFI, and you know yourself, whenever you're creating an RFI, you don't want to be typing in people's names loads of times into the distribution group. Instead, you can just create a distribution group instead. Which I think is a lot handier. Default distribution group. So anytime, like I said, anytime there's a default distribution group for any of the tools, it's always Clancy people. But if you wanted to create one for Jones's engineer, you do it in the directory.
I'd say that's what we're gonna do, is 5 call-offs here, so it's easier.
Exactly. And that's all it is. It's pretty much that. Any kind of questions there for yourself, Marius?
Not for this one. It's probably not. Connor is probably joining us, but it's on the mute.
That's okay. And that's this. Yeah, it's pretty straightforward stuff, and I'm happy to help you create the groups as well, Marius and Connor. If you want to send me on a list that you'd like me to create, I can create the groups for you.
I think it's pretty simple. We can do that with the Connor. Won't take your time for that reason, but another thing, remember I mentioned to you about the updated weekly planner, basically just a resources section.
Yeah.
So we need to just try to eliminate that purple color over there, because it's just for marking who's on site and when they're on site. Just basically yes or no, you know. So I think it's outside this meeting, but just we need to get that sorted as well.
That's okay. No problem at all.
Yeah. Connor, are you any questions?
No, that's all grand.
Yeah, pretty straightforward stuff, to be fair. Again, if it's a default distribution group you're creating for any of the tools, it's always the Clancy people. But you shouldn't have the likes of Jones's engineer in the default distribution group, but you can create one specially just for them.
Yeah, very good.
Connor Ward, any questions there? Happy enough?
No, I'm all happy.
Perfect.
No questions on my side.
Perfect. Any problems there, lads? You know where I am, all right?
Good stuff, Connor.
Perfect.
Appreciate that. Okay.
Thanks, guys.
No worries. Talk to you then. Cheers. Bye-bye.